Hey guys, it's Carolina from Always Expect More, and today I'm going to show you 8 super simple quilting designs that you can do making one simple motion. Ready? Let's get started. For practice, I've spray basted regular 10-inch squares of fabric onto some batting with some backing fabric underneath. I have 3 of these ready to go, so I've got plenty of space to practice. Now I'm going to set up my machine. I'm going to take off my 1/4-inch foot that I normally use and add an embroidery foot, an open-toed foot, or some kind of free motion foot. You might want to change your needle out as well. An embroidery needle works great for free motion quilting, or you could use a quilting needle. I like to use a super slider to help my fabric glide more easily on the surface. It has an adhesive back that you can wash clean from any lint. And you just stick it right on the machine. Make sure that your hole shows the hole where your needle will go. Press it down. If you feel like it's not sticking, wash it with a little soap and water, dry it off, and it should stick just fine. One last tip. Lower your feed dogs. There's usually a button on the side of your machine or underneath your machine to allow you to do this. Now our machine is ready and we can start quilting. When you first start free motion quilting, you want to get used to bringing your bobbin thread up. This is a practice square and it really won't matter, but if we want to turn this into a coaster or placemat later, we definitely want it to look right. Also, it's a great habit to get into. Start by lowering your presser foot, then lowering your needle. Bring your needle back up, your presser foot up, and pull up your bobbin thread. Now you're ready to quilt. Put your presser foot down and start your design. We're going to do simple cursive ease. This is the basic design we're going to use for all 8 designs we're learning today. Use your foot pedal to control the speed that your needle is going up and down, and use your hands to control the speed that the fabric is moving underneath the needle. Slowly work up speed for both the fabric and the presser foot at about the same rate. This takes some practice, but soon you'll be humming right along. Once you've got some cursive ease out of your system, let's try upside down ease. Ready? We already have 2 designs down. Ready to try a third? Let's combine our right side up ease and our upside down ease that I like to call O's for an E-O, E-O, E-O. Ready? You can get a different look when you bring them closer together or further apart. And further apart. Now we can take these same EOs that we just learned, and instead of going in a straight line, we'll scatter them about. These scattered loops make a great stipple, and don't worry about going E, then O, then E, then O. Sometimes you'll do 2 E's or 2 O's in a row, and it's no big deal. We can also elongate our E's and O's. To make an L shape. Or if we elongate the space between our E's and O's, we get a great border design. Want a different border design? Just skip the loops at the tops and bottoms. To try to keep your spacing even, use the edge of your presser foot as a guide. Want a design to use inside a skinny border? Put your EO, EO, EO closely together and you'll get a string of pearls. This string of pearls design is the basis for pebbles. Just use a little bit larger and a little bit smaller E's and O's and vary them as you move around. The trick with pebbles when you get stuck in a little corner is to just go all the way around to another side. And you can change direction. There you go. 8 simple quilting designs, all using just the basic curve, curve, curve shape. I hope you enjoy quilting these on your quilts. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I've got more details below, and subscribe for more crafty awesomeness from the Craft More channel. Bye guys!